Okay, so we are here, okay, Tuesday 5:30. Today we are doing revision for life cycles, okay, of plants and animals. Okay,
Okay.
Mani.
Okay.
And we have to look at the materials from lesson 37 and 38. Okay, Mani, do you have it?
Yes.
Okay, and this is the worksheet to have. Okay, let me just put it up full screen. This is the worksheet to have. Do you have it,
Yes.
Mani?
Yeah. Yeah. I have it.
You have it, hard copy, right?
Hard copy.
Okay, very good. So, okay, just to also understand a bit, okay, what are you learning in school now? What topic are you learning in school now?
We start with our plants topic.
Starting on plants, is it? Which
Yeah.
aspect of plants?
Red beet. We're learning life cycle of plants.
Life cycle of plants, right? Okay, life cycle of plants, very good. Okay, so okay, let me go back to the here. Okay, so let's look at lesson 37, 38. Okay, life cycle of plants. Yeah. So let me see. Yeah, give me a minute.
Correct. Bye. Headphones on there.
Okay, this is the video,
I
Mani.
Yeah.
Mani, this is the video. Okay, I will not play the entire video. Instead, I will go to selected parts and then you're supposed to write down the notes on your notebook, all right? Is that
Okay.
okay, Mani?
Okay.
Okay, so Mani, first question that I have for you, what does a life cycle tell you about an animal or a plant? Just to recap your knowledge. What is the, what does a life cycle show?
It Can you talk a bit louder?
Can you hear me better now, Mani?
A bit.
Is
Let
it
me
better,
try
Mani?
headphones.
Mani, is this better?
Yeah.
Can you hear me better now?
Yes.
Can you hear me better? Is it better now?
Yes.
Okay, no. So now let me ask you, so first question for okay, get ready your notebook. Okay, get ready your notebook. Yeah. Okay, so let me insert another new slide. Okay, new slide. Okay, so we're on the topic life cycle. So answer my question, Mani. What does a life cycle show? Or what does a life cycle tell us about an organism, no, a living thing?
It shows that living things grow.
Okay, living things. I hear the word grow. Very good.
Grow and change.
Grow and change. Very good. Okay, so but to be really exact, yeah, let me just give you the text. Okay, a life cycle. Can you write this down? A life cycle shows the different stages of growth and development of a living thing. Okay, of a living thing.
I'll copy this down.
Okay, wait, let me just adjust. Give me minutes. Okay, a life cycle shows the different stages of growth and development of a living thing. Mani, have you written this down?
Almost done. Done.
Okay, done, yeah? And is there an end or start to a life cycle?
No.
No, right? Okay, there's no start, no end, right? It just
A
shows us everything.
cycle goes on forever. There's no ending of it.
Okay, so I mean, let's consider the living thing itself. There's no start or end, lah. Although every living thing, it will eventually die, lah. But let's look at it as a species, no? It will just go on and on, right? So
Yes.
let's go back to the video, yeah. Okay, so life cycles. Okay, you can talk about life cycle of an animal or plant. Okay, let's just consider an this one. Let me just fast forward. Okay, fast forward. Okay, just to check, have you studied life cycle of animals?
Yeah, we finished it last week.
Very good. You finished it last week. Yeah. So I'm going to recap it for you. Okay, for your schoolwork. Then I'll do plants today. Okay. So let's just discuss. Okay, how about animal life cycle? Okay. So um from your studies in school and from the notes here, right? So life cycles, right?
The life cycles have either 3 or 4 stages.
Very good. Okay, for animal, right? For animals, okay, the life cycles can have animals can have, or rather, I would say, okay, animals can have 3 or 4 stage life cycles.
Mr.
Okay.
Wah,
Yes.
one time in school, my science teacher asked us to write notes about an animal we want to learn. I chose an interesting animal. It's called some axolotl or something. It has 5 stages in its life cycle.
5 stages.
Yeah, can some animals have 5?
Okay, Mani, for PSLE, right? For science, right? For PSLE, we stick to those animals with 3 or 4 stages. Okay, although in nature, there could be exceptions in nature, okay? But for now, we just talk about those animals with 3 or 4 stage life cycles. All right, Mani? You can talk about that, I mean, as general knowledge in school, for project work or whatever your school teacher wants you to do. But we only talk about 3 or 4 stages life cycle, okay?
Okay.
Okay, 3 or 4 stages life cycles, okay? 3 or 4 stages life cycle. And okay, so Mani, can you name me the 3 stages? Okay, for 3 stages life cycle, what are the 3 stages?
There's a frog, there's a chicken, there's a grasshopper, and there is a cockroach.
Okay, very good. Okay, let's talk about just 3 stage life cycle animals, all right? Okay, so let's say for 3 stage life cycle, right? 3 stages animals, all right? The 3 stages, what are they called again?
The frog, the chicken, the grasshopper, and the cockroach.
Okay, good. Frog, chicken, all this, okay, etc., etc. So my question now is that what are the name of the stages? Let me just review for you. Okay? What are the 3 stages called?
Is that for which one?
For 3 stage life cycle, let's consider a chicken first, then we talk about frogs.
Oh, chicken's easy. First, it starts with the egg, then it goes to its young, and then it grows into its adult form.
Okay, egg, then to young. Okay, sorry, I don't have a. Okay, wait, let me just draw in arrows, okay? Egg, young, adult, and then back to egg. Okay, I don't have a, what do you call this? By right, I'm supposed to draw it at like a circle, but I'm just going to draw it here because I'm using this.
Computer?
Yeah, by right, you're supposed to really draw like a circle. So after the adult stage, it goes back to egg, okay? All right, Mani?
Yes.
Okay, so egg, young, adult, and back to egg. Okay, then how about, let's say for frogs, okay, what do you call the young stage? It's not called young, instead you call it?
It's called tadpole.
Okay, nymph. Okay, tadpole, nymph, right? Egg, nymph.
No, we call it just a tadpole. We don't call it nymph in my school.
Okay,
Just
tadpole
say
stage,
tadpole.
right? Tadpole, yeah. Tadpole, is it advisable? Wait, tadpole, nymph. Okay, let me just double check. Okay, so you say tadpole, okay? bracket nymph.
We don't say nymph. We only use it for cockroach and grasshopper.
Okay. Okay, also can. Okay, come Money, write this down. Egg, tadpole or nymph, adult, then egg again.
I wrote
For 4 stages life cycle animals, right? Okay, review time. What are the 4 stages called?
there's a butterfly.
Good, the organisms,
There's
yeah.
there's a beetle.
Butterfly, beetle.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, so what are the stages called?
For butterfly. Oh, I forgot about mosquito. These 3 have first it starts with egg, then it turns to larva, then it
Very
becomes
good.
a pupa, and then the adult, and it goes. Then it could turn back. Then it produces eggs.
Okay, larva, pupa, then adult. Very good. Okay. Then back to the egg stage, yeah. Okay, be careful, Money, because I'm using type keyboard. I can't do that circle cycle. Okay, so be careful. You're not supposed to write it this way in school. All right, Money.
Okay. Normally, my teacher says this is not how. Yeah, she'll daily we like do the curve. So yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so one more thing for you. Okay, so let's do the classes of or the groups of animals that can have 3 or 4 stage life cycle. Yeah. So Money, let me ask you now. Okay, so for what are the groups of animals that can have
4 stages.
you want to do 4 stage or 3 stage first?
4 stages.
You want to do 4 stages? Okay, we do 3 stage first lah. Okay, so what are the groups of animals? Listen to the question carefully. What are the groups of animals that can have 3 stages life cycle? Can you hear me clearly? I think your
Yeah, I can hear.
okay, very good. Okay, so when I say groups, right? You tell me mammals, birds, reptiles, things like that. Okay, insect or what. Okay, this is the question. So what are the groups of animals that can have 3 stages life cycle?
Well, is it most mammals?
Good. Okay, mammals.
Birds?
Okay, birds. Good.
A few insects can.
Some insects. Good.
Do reptiles also do have?
Good. Reptiles. Very good. Correct. Okay, continue.
Fishes also.
Fish. Very good. Okay, very good. Yeah.
Let me see the groups I did. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
There's
All
still
left.
some. One more.
Amphibians.
Very good. Okay, very good. Okay, very good. So now let's look at the other one. Okay, 4 stages life cycle animals. Yeah. What are the animals?
All of them are some insects. That's
very
it.
good. Okay. So some insects have 4 stage life cycle. Yeah. So just do it like this.
Okay. Let me write this down. Later, can we do a quiz?
Which quiz?
Like you'll ask me for example, does a bird have 3 stages or 4 stages? And I have the answer.
Okay, we do that soon. Okay, but because I have to cover the part about plants first. All right.
Okay.
So that you'll be ready for school. Since you're doing it in school, right? Okay, and very quickly I can tell you all the important things about life cycles in a plant. Okay. So this is for animals, yeah. Let me just do another slide, okay. Are you done writing, Money?
Not yet. I'm at the 4 stages.
4 stages, yeah. Very good.
Done.
Okay, let's look at this one. Okay, let's look at for plants now. Very good. Okay, let's look at life cycle of a plant, yeah. Okay, what are the stages called?
1 minute.
Okay, we're talking about flowering plant, yeah. Flowering plant.